Okay, Year 13s, in this last example we're looking at integration by substitution for a definite integral. And so we want to make our substitution first, and so I'm going to write it as x u to the 3, where u is x minus 1. And so that means that we could rearrange it as x equals u plus 1. And that also means that dx would be equal to du, so that makes it nice and easy. So we can substitute this in instead of x, and that gives us the integral of u plus 1, u to the 3, and instead of dx we can write du, and also instead of these limits we can work out what those limits are in terms of u now, because we have a relationship between u and x. And so u is simply x minus 1, and so we can take 1 off each of those limits, so make this one negative 2 and this one 1, and that will give us the same result and stop us from having to go back to x. Okay, so I'm going to expand my brackets before I integrate, so that will give me u to the 4 plus u to the 3 du, and now I can evaluate my integral. So it'll be u to the 5 over 5 plus u to the u to the 4 over 4, and that will be from negative 2 to 1. So we will have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus whatever that comes out to be, plus whatever that comes out to be. And now we can put that into our calculator. Okay, so we have 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4 minus negative 2 squared over 5 plus negative 2 to the 4. And I realise I made a mistake back here. It shouldn't be to the 2, it should be to the 5. I'll put an extra set of brackets just to help that. Same thing here, extra set of brackets, and that one there I've written divided by 5, but it should be divided by 4, so we need to make sure we put that in correctly. So divided by 4. Okay, I've got a syntax error. That should be 2.5. There we go. Okay, 2.85. And let's just check that answer with our integral function. So integrate x bracket x minus 1 bracket to the power of 3 from negative 1 to 2. And that gives us the same answer, so we have confidence that we are correct. Okay, so hopefully that's given you the idea of definite integrals with those 5 examples, and you've got a whole lot of work here to do, plus some extension work if you're interested as well. And I'll leave it at that.